In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert GIF and images in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're adding a simple photo, a transparent PNG, or an animated GIF, the process is quick and consistent. And by the end, you'll be able to place, size, and position visuals with confidence. First, open the slide where you want the image to appear. It can be a blank slide or one with content. Just make sure the slide itself is selected so PowerPoint knows exactly where to put the file. Next, go to the Insert tab along the ribbon at the top. This is the hub for bringing in external content. Click Pictures. You'll see options like this device for files saved on your computer, or online pictures if you want to search the web from inside PowerPoint. Use the option that matches where your image lives. If you're inserting a GIF, you'll choose it exactly the same way. GIFs are handled just like regular pictures at this stage. Browse to the file, select it, and click Insert. PowerPoint will drop the image right onto your slide. If the picture arrives larger than expected, don't worry. That's normal with high-resolution photos. If it's too small, you can easily enlarge it without losing the original file. To resize, click the picture to select it and drag one of the corner handles in or out. Corners help you keep the proportions natural. Side handles can stretch the image in one direction, which usually isn't what you want. To move the image, hover over it until your cursor becomes a four-headed arrow, then click and drag to position it. As you move it, look for the helpful alignment guides that appear. Those thin lines make it easy to center the image or line it up with other objects. If you inserted a PNG with a transparent background, try layering it over shapes or text for a clean, modern look. If you inserted an animated GIF, it won't play inside the normal editing view, but it will animate during slideshow. That means you'll see the motion when you present or when you preview the slideshow. Finally, a quick note on image quality and permissions. JPGs are great for photos, PNGs preserve transparency and crisp edges, and GIFs are perfect for simple animations. When using online pictures, be mindful of usage rights and choose images you're allowed to use. And that's it. Open your slide, go to Insert, choose Pictures, pick the file, and then resize and move it into place.